project number 6 is my website, or more specifically, the content management system that it's running. Back when I recreated my website on notsyncing.net, I wanted a completely database-less system because I didn't want the overhead. I wanted something fast, something easy for me to use. Something easy for me is something that doesn't really have a GUI where I can write my posts in Markdown, PHP, or something like this. So know what you see is what you get editor. And I couldn't really find anything that suited my taste, so I had to write my own. Basic features are, it has this blog feature where you can see here it's just like a blog and yeah, lists this here in some way. You can open posts and get more information. Then also there's pages. For example, you have specific information about my projects that I've done in the past. Each blog entry can be tagged. So for example, if we take something here like this Brother LW post, it's hardware, Linux, software, and video. And if we click on Linux, we get everything Linux related. And videos here's the same. It's just like everything that's tagged as video. Also, what you can see here, all these wonderful black frames. I had to implement these because of the GDPR. So you can either click once or you can set also preferences to always connect to other services, but I had to implement it because I am in Europe. And there's my repository, and then of course then there's also contact, which is also just a subpage. Another feature is the RSS feed, so you can get everything as an RSS feed in, for example, Thunderbird if you want to stay up to date. Anyways, the system is completely open source. You can find it on my personal Git server. There's a little bit of documentation, not really anything here, but I'm just gonna walk you through how it works. So first of all, there's a shared PHP file in the config directory, and it will allow you to configure the basics like the site name, author, and everything like this. You also have to configure menu entries in here. These are the main things you have to do. Then there's the P directory, which is the pages directory, so static content pages. For example, we have our projects PHP here, which is just what you just saw as the projects page. So that's how you create static pages. You add them here in the menu and you create an entry in this, and always prefix your files with this to protect against direct inclusion of these files. Not always necessary, but it can help. Then, if you want to use the blogging feature, you have to go into the B directory and then into a subdirectory, which you previously specified in the shared PHP over here. These directories will be searched. And then it has to have this header. And basically that's everything. Here you set the title, description, and everything. That's also used for RSS feed, for Google meta tags, and all of that kind of stuff. You can have unlisted posts, released ones which are just released, and then private posts, which I believe cannot be accessed at all at the time. If you set the seed time into the future, the post will only get accessible once that time is reached. Apart from this, you write just normal HTML in here. You also have the PHP features and some additional features like include video, include graphics. There's also a source function to specify sources. Yeah, those can all be found. These helper functions can all be found in the shared PHP file. This directory will be automatically scanned by the system, so you just drop in your PHP file here, and then it will be added. That's all there is to it. Very simple, very basic, but it works for me. Okay, that's a quick demo of my CMS for my website. I have a couple plans like Markdown support, and there's a few bugs that need to be solved, but that's basically it. So thank you very much for watching. If you feel like it, please take a look at the system. Maybe you can also use it for something. And yeah, see you tomorrow.